Hi, this is Victor and welcome back to my math tutoring channel. In this video, we'll try to solve those two indefinite integrals. So let's start with the first one. The first one is integral of sine x minus 3, all that to the power of 3, cosine x dx. This is a very easy integral to define, to solve. Don't let sine x minus 3 to the power of 3 cosine x intimidate you. We know that the derivative of sine x is cosine x. So all what I have to do is I will say let u equal sine x. Then my du equal cosine x dx. So this is my du and that's my u. It becomes very easy. So the integral become u minus 3 to the power of 3 du. And if I look at u minus 3, it resembles to a minus b to the power of 3. And that formula, it's equal a to the power of 3 minus 3a to the power of 2b plus 3ab to the power of 2 minus b3. So that's a formula. If you don't know how to get the formula, what you do is a minus b times a minus b, and then the first term by you multiply the first term by the first term by the second term by the first term, and the second term by the second term. And you will have something here which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. You multiply that by a minus b to the power of 3, and you do this to the power of 1 actually. And you do exactly this is the first term times the first term times the second term, and this times this, and this times this, and times this. And you will have exactly a3 minus 3a2b plus 3ab2 minus b3. So I advise you to study that formula if you don't know it. I'm sure you studied it in previous years, in previous calculus or math courses. And you have to know it. It's faster for you in the exam. So let's apply the formula. So my integral become integral of y to the power of 3 minus 3y to the power of 2 times 3 plus 3y times 3 to the power of 3 minus 3 to the power of 3. All that is du. So that integral become u to the power of 3 minus 3 times 3 is 9 u square. And this is, actually this is to the power of 2. I'm sorry, not to the power of 3 here, to the power of 2. So 3 to the power of 2 is 9 times 3 is 27 plus 27u minus 27, and all that is du. And now, because there is a plus between my terms, I can divide it into many integral. It become integral of u to the power of 3 du minus 9 integral of u to the power of 2 plus 27 integral of u minus 27 u du here, and there is du here, and minus 27 du. Always when there is a constant, I take it outside my integral, because the integral of a constant is a constant. So we know that integral of u to the power of 3 is, actually I'm gonna go fast. I will replace u by sine x, because we said here my u is equal to sine x. So u to the power of 3 is u to the power of 4 divided by 4, which is sine to the power of 4x divided by 4 minus 9 sine to the power of 3x divided by 3 plus 27 sine square of x divided by 2 minus 27 sine x plus c. And well, here I can simplify this, become 3 sine to the power of 3 sine x. Let's write it. So sine to the power of 4x divided by 4 minus 3 sine to the power of 3x plus 27 sine to the power of 2x minus 27 sine x plus c. So if you, I did not finish, but if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. It really helped me. So now we're gonna do the second integral here. So the second problem that we're gonna solve is integral of square root of sine x cosine to the power of 5x dx. Yeah. Here, nobody likes, your teacher does not like, I don't like to see x to the power of an odd number. Whatever it is, if it is a trigonometric function to the power of an odd number, we don't like it. We like to see to the power of an even number. So without thinking, every time you see a trigonometric function with the power of an odd number, translate it to an even number. And see how I'm gonna translate it. This is equal integral of sine x cosine to the power of 4x times cosine x dx. Because x to the power of 4 times x is x to the power of 5, same thing for the cosine. So, and I want to make it to the power of 2, this one, because for the trigonometric and identity, it's always to the power of 2. So this power of 4, I want to make it power of 2. So it become integral of square root of sine x cosine square x, all that to the power of 2. So become cosine 4x times cosine x dx. Yeah. But I know cosine square x plus sine square x equal to 1. This is one of the trigonometric identity. Let's write it down here. Cosine square x plus sine square x is equal to 1. That's a formula. You can use it. So that means cosine square x is equal 1 minus sine square x. So my integral becomes square root of sine x. And this, I will replace it by 1 minus sine square of x to the power of 2 times cosine x. Because here, cosine square x is equal 1, and this will come here, become minus sine square of x. And this is like a minus b square. Again, it's a formula, you studied it from previous year, which is equal a square minus 2ab plus b square, and I will apply it here. So it becomes integral of square root of sine x multiplied by, my a is 1 and my b is sine x. Yeah. So it is a square, which is 1, minus 2 times 1 is 2 sine x plus sine square of x. Actually, this is sine square here, and this is sine 4. My b is sine square. My b is sine square, so it become that b square become sine to the power of 4, and 2ab, 2 times 1 times square n, sine square of x, and I still have cosine x, and I have dx here. Now, I can say let u equal to sine x, because I know the derivative of sine x is cosine x. Let u equal sine x, so my du is equal cosine x dx. So this become my du, and all the sine x become my u. So my integral become integral of square root of u is u to the power 1/2 times 1 minus 2u square, because u is sine x, plus sine to the power of 4x. We said sine x is equal to u, which become u to the power of 4, u to the power of 4, and my cosine x dx is my du. Now let's multiply du with 1 by 2u square, and plus multiplied by plus u to the power of 4. So here I know it is 1/2 plus 1. It's u to the power 1/2 minus. Here I have u to the power 1/2 times 2u to the power 2. It becomes 2u to the power of 2 plus 1/2. I'm going to write it like that so you understand better. Plus u to the power of 4 plus 1/2. And all that is du. And now because I have minus or pluses, I can write it into many integral. It becomes integral of u to the power 1/2 du minus 2, because it's a constant, I can put it outside. 2 plus 1/2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. It's u to the power 5 divided by 2 du plus integral of 2 to 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 divided by 2 du. Yeah. So now it becomes u to the power 1/2 plus 1 divided by 1/2 plus 1 minus 2 u to the power 5/2 plus 1 divided by 5 divided by 2 plus 1 plus u to the power 9 over 2 plus 1 divided by 9 over 2 plus 1 plus c. And 1/2 plus 1 is 3 to the power 3 divided by 2. Divided by 3 divided by 2, it becomes 2/3 u to the power, or sine x to the power 3 divided by 2. And this is 2 times 1, 7 divided by 2. Minus 2 sine 7 divided by 2. And then divided by 7 divided by 7 divided by 2. So this becomes multiplication, but I have to flip it. It becomes 4 over 7. Because I have the 2 here times this 2 here is 4. So let's do it right away. So minus 4 divided by 7 sine, or square root of sine to the power of 7. You can write it like this. And same logic, 2 plus 9 is 11. U or sine, because u is equal to sine x, we said, sine 11 divided by 2 multiplied by 2 divided by 11 plus c. And that would be my final answer. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. That would help me tremendously. And if you push the like button, I would really appreciate it. Thank you for listening.